In this video, I will guide you on how to fix the issue of mobile data not working on your iPhone. To begin, swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone screen. This will open the Control Center. Here, locate the airplane mode icon. Tap on it to enable airplane mode. You'll notice that all wireless connections are turned off at this point. Wait about 10 seconds. This brief pause allows your device to reset its network connections. After waiting, tap on the airplane mode button once more to disable it. Now check if your mobile data is functioning properly. If toggling airplane mode didn't resolve the issue, let's dive into the Settings app. Find and tap on Settings from your home screen. Once in Settings, scroll down slightly until you see General. Tap on it to access General settings for your iPhone. Scroll all the way down within General until you reach Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on this option to continue troubleshooting. In this menu, tap on Reset. Here you'll find several reset options available for your device. Select Reset Network Settings. Keep in mind that this action will erase saved Wi-Fi networks and passwords, but won't delete any personal data such as photos or apps. You will be prompted to enter your passcode for security verification. After entering it, confirm by tapping Reset Network Settings one last time. Your iPhone will now reset its network configurations. Once completed, check if mobile data is now operational by attempting to browse online or using an app that requires internet access. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.